You have probably heard the phrase cash is king. But what if a company is sitting on too much cash? Is it still a good thing or a red flag? Let's break it down simply. Imagine a company has a huge pile of cash in the bank, in investment, or just sitting idle. At first, it sounds great, financially strong, right? But investors start wondering that why is that cash not being used? No new projects, no innovation, and this is what we call excess cash. Money that's more than what the company needs for day-to-day operation or emergencies. Excess cash isn't always bad. If used wisely, it can be a superpower. Like TCS during COVID paid salaries, no layoffs. Amazon reinvested profits into AWS and global logistics. Buffett used the cash in 2008 to buy stakes in Goldman Sachs when markets were panicked, and it also boosts credit rating, which helps to raise funds at a cheaper rate. But when cash just sits idle, it shows poor planning, like some IT firms hoarding money without innovating. Investors get angry, like Apple forced by Carl Icahn to return the cash by buybacks, or it signals fear. Maybe the company sees no new growth opportunity. So next time you see excess cash in the company's balance sheet, don't just clap. Ask questions like, what's the company doing with it? Is the company having any plans for growth, dividend, or just holding it? Because in the end, cash is not good or bad. It's just a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how smartly you use it.